Ever tap to pay with Apple Pay, only to be stuck watching that swirling circle of doom for way longer than you expected? Let's break down why Apple Pay transactions sometimes seem to take an eternity to process. First off, the biggest culprit is often your bank. When you use Apple Pay, the transaction isn't instantly approved by Apple. Instead, your iPhone sends the payment details to your bank for verification. The time it takes for your bank to authorize the payment can vary wildly depending on their systems and how busy they are. This is especially true during peak shopping hours or on weekends. Next up is your internet connection. Apple Pay relies on a stable connection to communicate with both Apple's servers and your bank. If you're in an area with poor cellular service or weak Wi-Fi, that can significantly slow things down. Try moving to a location with a stronger signal or switching to Wi-Fi if you're on cellular data. Security checks also play a role. Apple Pay incorporates multiple security measures to protect your financial information. Sometimes these checks can take a little extra time, especially if it's a large transaction or if you're using Apple Pay at a new location. This is a good thing, as it helps prevent fraud. Finally, keep in mind that system glitches can occasionally happen. Technology isn't perfect, and sometimes there might be a temporary issue on Apple's end, your bank's end, or the payment terminal's end. The good news is, most delays are temporary. Usually, the transaction will eventually go through. If it doesn't, double-check your bank account to make sure there are sufficient funds, and try again. And if problems persist, contact your bank or Apple support for assistance. Now you know why your Apple Pay might be taking a bit longer than you expect.